What's going on, everybody? I am that driving guy, and my office gets me where I'm going. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, and hit all. That way you're notified every time I drop a video. And don't forget to check out the description box for some items that you can use while you're dashing that can keep you safe and make things a lot more convenient for you. So, on this video, we're going to talk about the Doordash cash on delivery pilot that they have dropped in select markets for some of the dashers. Me, myself, I believe that this is a great program. I think that this is a great answer to people who complain about Doordash hiding tips and hiding any other type of money. So this is a great answer to that. Me, myself, I wouldn't take any cash orders because I just like the money going into my account. I haven't had cash in my pocket for real, for I don't know how long. So I just prefer the money going into my account. I've gotten used to that. But this is a good answer for those people who feel that Doordash is hiding money. So the way that it works is you will go do the delivery the way that you normally would do the delivery. But once you get to the customer, whatever the total amount of the order is, that's what you collect from the customer. And anything more than that is your tip. And of course, you keep that. So at the end of the week, whatever the total amount of all of the orders that you accepted that are cash on delivery orders, whatever you've made in cash, Doordash deducts that amount from your weekly payout, excluding your tips. So let's just say you will make $1,000 in a week, but you have $500 cash. That's how much you've made. That's how much you've collected in cash, excluding your tips. Then at the end of the week, Doordash is going to pay you $500. Now, if for any reason you come across these types of orders and you decide that you're going to decline the order, it's all good. It's not going to affect your acceptance rating. So I repeat, you get this order. It comes across similar to how a red card order would come across. It lets you know that this will be a cash on demand or cash on delivery order. And you would have the option, as you do with all the orders, to either accept or decline. If you decide, nah, I don't want to deal with that, and you decline, it will not affect your acceptance rating. So that's cool. If for any reason you make the delivery and there's any issues with collecting the cash payment, it will not affect your completion rating if you make the proper selections. So this is a great program, a great answer to all of those people who complain about hidden tips. Now you finally have something that is putting the money directly into your hands. It's back to the way that things used to be. And I can appreciate Doordash changing their business plan to kind of answer that complaint. A lot of people may feel this is unsafe because of the things that have been going on with gig workers, and having cash is just an added issue. But just like I said, this is how things were before. People were carrying cash. So again, cash on delivery in select markets, I feel like it's a great answer back to people who want to get money in their hands and want to have those tips without any question of them being hidden. I think this is awesome. So if it's in your market, look out for that. As always, I appreciate all of you all. And until next time, I'm a holler.